Hello students, the continuation of the discussion. Today we are going to see April-May 2015 GE 6757 Total Quality Management. 2 more questions. Define quality and the total quality management. So already we have seen this question already, but anyhow, we are having 4 or 5 definitions. The simplest definition is fitness for intended use. So don't write any extra. There's one line is sufficient, 1 mark. TQM, we defined as both as philosophy and set of guiding principles that represent the foundation for the continuously improving organization. It is the application of quantitative methods and human resources to improve all the processes within an organization and exceed customer needs now and future. So you write both philosophy of set of guiding principle is for, then you got to write T is equal to total, Q is equal to management, like that you got to write, that is good full mark for you. Second question, what are the barriers to implement the TQM? Now we have seen the past 3 questions. We have seen 2 times the same question is repeated. So important question. So lack of management commitment, inability to change organizational culture, improper planning, lack of continuous training. 28 points are there. You can write any 4 is sufficient. You will get 2 marks. What to understand by supplier rating? See, the questions are repeating. Supplier rating, supplier partnering, supplier certification. So at that time, you go to study the 2 mark as well as the 4 mark question. Supplier rating is done by all the customers for the finalizing the terms and conditions for supplying of their goods. So some reasons for customer to decide rate the supplier is to obtain the overall rating of the supplier performance, to ensure the complete communication with the suppliers concerning the performance in the areas of quality service delivery. All these suppliers we can check up. To provide a detailed factual record of problems for corrective action for each supplier. So the supplier rating is to finalize the terms and conditions for the supply of goods. The rating is important so that you can select your customer based on that. First one is overall rating, then complete communication with all the suppliers to select the best one, and details about the facts and records. Benefits of teamwork. It's a common question. Anybody can answer. First one is many heads are more knowledgeable than one. Each member is unique, special ability. Complex processes cannot be solved by a single person. Interaction with the team improves the results. The team leads to a better job and provide the good communication. It's a common question. So you can write any 4 is sufficient. Write commonly. But write according to the our TQM related answer. Don't write it will improve the friendship and all, you're not supposed to write. So you go to write according to our TQM, that is related to customer, related to job, related to quality. Mention any 4 traditional tools of quality. Totally 7 tools are there. Among that, any 4 you can write. Pareto diagram, 80-20 principle. Process flow diagram, we are doing in the schooling itself, but a computer lab flow chart. Then Kasandappa diagram, that is fishbone diagram. Then check sheets we are regularly. Other things are histogram, scatter diagram, and control charts. So you can write any 4 is okay. So this is the question. Any 4 traditional tools. Sometimes they ask any 4 new management tools that they go to write differently. What is the reason for benchmarking? Why we got to do benchmarking? This is also a repeated question. This also comes under the 3rd unit. So why we got to benchmark? To find out the strength and reduce the weakness. Manager to compete. To know the competitive position. So based on that, the external goals may be set. It's a continuous improvement tool. It used to reduce planning, testing at least considerably. What is Takeuchi loss function? That is going away from the target is loss, even though the component is within the specified limit. The quality loss function as defined by Takeuchi is loss imparted to society by the product from the time the product is designed to the time it is supplied to the customer. According to customer perception, the product that barely meets specification is as good as product that is barely out of specification. So this loss of function is called Takeuchi loss of function. What he says is anything going away from the center line, that is target, is loss for the customer, even though the component is within the specification limit. So as far as this Takeuchi loss function is concerned, the function or performance should be related to exactly what they want. Indicate the different parameters used for quality performance measurement. To measure the performances, this comes under the 4th unit, last chapter, performance measures. What are they going to measure? Parameters. One, quality. Quality of the product, quality of the service, quality of the person, like that. Cost. Cost of the product, cost of the service, salary people, what are the things? Flexibility, reliability of the product, then innovation. These are all the points comes under the measurement of the performance measures, indicators. Then various classes of ISO 9000, 2008, 2000 standard. Normally classes mean 8 classes are there normally. You can write any 4 is sufficient or 5 is sufficient, but you can write any 8. The first 3 are a common one: scope, normal reference, definitions. You would write QMS, management over responsibility, resource management, product realization, measurement analysis. So this consists of the 2 mark question. Then compare QS 9000 and TS 16949 standard. These 2 mark questions comes on the 5th unit. So both are connected with the automotive quality system. Now, previously it is named as QS 9000. It is replaced by now TS 16949. Previously QS 9000 is the product approach. Now it is inclusive of the process approach also. So it differs from the QS 9000 is for customer satisfaction. TS 9000 includes the employee satisfaction. TS 649 is less focused on the documentation, more focused on the performance to achieve the customer satisfaction. So these are all the questions asked on the Unit 5.